If you're wondering how to send automated email notifications in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to streamline your communication within Teamwork, ensuring that your team never misses an important update again. Before we dive in, remember, Teamwork is a fantastic tool for project management, and the best part is you can use it for free from the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses that'll make your workflow even more efficient. Stick around, because I'll also share how you can get an extended free trial at the end of this video. So let's jump straight into the automated email notifications feature. First, when you're working on a project in Teamwork, you'll want to set up email notifications for key activities like task assignments, due dates, and project updates. Automating this process saves you time and ensures that everyone stays in the loop without having to check the platform constantly. To get started, head over to the Account Settings tab. From there, click on the Notifications section. Here, you'll be able to control the settings for both personal and team-wide notifications. You can fine-tune what triggers an email, whether it's when a task is completed, when someone comments on a task, or when a deadline is approaching. For more customized email notifications, you can also use the Email Preferences option. This allows you to choose exactly which activities will prompt email alerts. For instance, if you want to be notified whenever a task is overdue or a milestone is reached, you can toggle these settings to suit your needs. One cool thing about Teamwork is the ability to set notifications based on project status. So if a project moves into a new phase, Teamwork will automatically notify you and your team. This is especially useful for keeping track of complex projects without manual follow-ups. Teamwork also allows you to manage notifications for specific team members. If there's someone on your team who needs to stay updated about every little change, you can adjust their notification preferences to ensure they're always in the know. But here's a pro tip. You can control how often these notifications are sent out. Instead of bombarding you with emails constantly, you can choose to receive a daily summary of updates or opt for immediate alerts when crucial tasks or comments are made. This keeps your inbox tidy while still giving you the key information you need. Now, for the most important part, automating these notifications for a smoother workflow. Teamwork lets you set rules for recurring tasks or projects. For example, if you frequently set up similar tasks in projects, you can create templates that automatically trigger email notifications whenever these tasks are due or updated. This is a massive time saver. I highly recommend you spend a few minutes customizing these settings to match your project needs. The beauty of this feature is that it reduces manual oversight and increases team efficiency, so no one is left out of the loop. Remember, if you want to get started with Teamwork, you can use the link in the description below for an extended free trial that gives you full access to these features and more. Trust me, once you start automating your notifications in Teamwork, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So now you know how to send automated email notifications in teamwork.com, saving you time and keeping your team on track. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive extended trial using the link below.